My name is Basim, and in this YouTube channel we talk about business, dating, and how to make your life better in general. In today's video we are going to answer a guy who asked us how to get a woman from work. So I'm going to give you the best tips and advice in order to get this woman from work. Most of the time I advise guys to avoid flirting or seducing girls from work because it is very risky, especially if you want to rise to the top and evaluate in this company. Because let's be honest, seducing girls is a number game, which means most of girls are going to reject you and only few of them are going to accept to finish the game with you and sleep with you. So that's why it is very risky, especially in the workplace. The reason why I advise guys to stay away from girls from the workplace, because it is very risky unless it is the girls who try to seduce you or flirt with you. I guess you get the point. But I know there is a lot of guys who are going to still want to get this one special girl from work. So that's why I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that will help you do that. The most important thing that you need to keep in your mind is to try to stay yourself. Be simple and don't try to play the big guy or try to impress this girl, because girls like genuine guys who are happy with what they are and don't need to play games or to impress. Also take care of yourself, eat healthy, dress well, because girls give importance to small details. Like a girl know intuitively that a guy who isn't able to take care of himself will never take care of her or her future kids in the future. Also, another important fact that you need to keep in mind is to try to smile from time to time. Try to be happy in your life, because if you are not happy in your life, no girl will want to spend time with you. Girl, I guess you know the saying that say that girls just want to have fun. If you are happy in your life, girls will try to spend time with you and be around you most of the time. Over time, if you notice that the girl is receptive to your advances and trying to be near to you most of the time, you can ask her to go out and continue your game on her till you get physically with her. Never do the mistakes of trying to escalate physically with a girl in the workplace, because it is very risky and gives a bad image about you in your work and to your boss or to your co-workers. So it is better to invite her to drink something at your home or in another place.